Today, I'm going to tell you about 10 of my favorite makeup brushes and explain to you how to use them. There are tons of makeup brushes on the market, and when doing your makeup, it can be just a tad bit confusing to know which one you should use for which part of your face. Sometimes it's not about the product, but it's about the way you apply it. So I'm going to share with you 10 of my favorite makeup brushes, and I'm going to show you how to use them. Foundation brush. Use it to smooth liquid foundation for a streak-free application. Start in the middle of your face and blend the product outward to prevent harsh makeup lines around the edge of your face. The more dense the brush, the better. Angled brush. The slanted bristles make it easier to apply products perfectly to your cheekbones. This is a great brush for applying contour. Small angled brush. When contouring your nose, this is the brush that will give you a smooth finish. The angled bristles are perfect for the bridge of your nose. Bronzer brush. This brush is perfect for softly applying bronzers and powders and for evenly distributing product across your face. Blending eyeshadow brush. Use the fluffy bristles to diffuse eyeshadow in the crease of your eye, or use it to blend multiple shades of eyeshadow together. Flat shader brush. This brush should be used on your eyelid to place shadows. It is also great for applying messy products such as glitter because it adds more precision. Pointed precision brush. This brush will be your best friend when lining your lower lash line with eyeshadow or applying inner corner highlighter. The pointed tip is great for precision. Blush brush. This brush is dense and similar to a smaller version of your foundation brush. However, the shape makes it great for applying blush to the apples of your cheeks. Fan brush. This is great for gently applying highlighter on your cheekbones, temples, and cupid's bow. Giant powder brush. This brush is perfect for sweeping off excess powder. It is also great for evenly blending everything together as a final step for a smooth finish. Well, those were 10 beginner-friendly brushes, but remember, it's all about what really works for your face, so there really isn't any rules to this at all. Let me know down in the comments what are some of your favorite makeup brushes to use, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!